festive season is finally here and we are all ready to dance and sweat and get all glam and sing our hearts out. So Nidhi thought why not to do a tips video for a long lasting makeup base. So here I am with today's video. So let's get to know a base that is strong, budge proof and that which would not move throughout the day. So let's get our infallible modes on and begin with today's video. And if you're new to the channel, hi, I'm Nidhi and you're watching the Trend Diaries. Take a moment, subscribe and let's get rolling. Tip number 1, do not skip your skincare. Skincare is very important to get a beautiful flawless base. Even if you have oily skin, do not skip your skincare. And second, a major mistake that many of y'all must be doing, even I did when I started, was to rush my skincare and begin with my base. Do not do that, because if you rush your skincare and start with your base, your makeup would start peeling. So just let your skincare settle for some time. You can do your brow, your hair and other things till then, and just let the skincare get absorbed in your skin and then begin with your base makeup. You would definitely notice a difference and would not see your base peeling. Tip number 2 is a good primer. So a good primer is all that you need for a long lasting base. Do not skip out on your primer, as it is an important layer between your foundation and skin. It would also protect as well as elongate the wear time of your base. And there are many primers available in the market, so you can choose whichever one caters best for your skin type and your concerns, like a blurring one, a mattifying one, a pore filling one, etc. Tip number 3 is to choose long wearing and high performance base makeup products, because your base is gonna change your makeup look entirely. So you need to get your base correct. And for festive looks, I absolutely love and adore the finish of
L'Oreal Paris Infallible 32-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation.
I am in the shade 260 Golden Sun. It is a long wear foundation with vitamin C and provides an ultra luminous coverage, covers imperfections beautifully without feeling heavy on the skin at all. Plus this foundation is transfer proof, sweat proof and waterproof, and the best part is that it still gives a very fresh finish on the skin. Basically it's all that you would ever need in your foundation. A pump is literally all that you need, and then just blend it out. This foundation, when settles for some time, matches my skin tone perfectly, and you can see how gorgeous the finish is. For my concealer, I'll be using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible, a full coverage concealer in the shade Almond. Again, an OG concealer, what more to talk about? It is full coverage, long wearing, does not crease and literally brightens up your under eyes. Moving to tip number 4, prefer to use a light yet mattifying powder to lock your base. Usually powders can make your base turn very dry and cakey. So prefer powders that would mattify your face without drying out your base. For that I'll be using
The L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation in a powder.
I'm using the shade 245 Golden Honey. This product covers like a foundation and mattifies like a powder, and you can see the difference yourself. It gives a full coverage in just one swipe. It not only gives you a full matte coverage in just one swipe, but with a fresh finish. Also, this formula is long wearing, waterproof and transfer proof. Now this base is full proof, budge proof and would not move throughout the day. So let me just quickly complete my routine and be right back. Let's quickly complete the eye makeup look, and for my mascara I'll be using the OG, the Lash Paradise mascara from L'Oreal Paris. This mascara adds instant volume in just one coat, and this is seriously no joke. For sparse lashes like mine, this mascara is a boon. You can see the difference yourself. I personally love this mascara. This mascara is long lasting with no clumping and no smudging, no flaking, and you can see the difference for yourself. I just love this mascara. Like, I can literally see my lashes even in the viewfinder, which is like a big achievement for my sparse lashes. Let's complete the look, and for my lipstick I'll be using the L'Oreal Paris
Color Reach Intense Volume Matte Lipstick.
Firstly, I love the packaging. It is heavy and luxe. Just look at the texture on the lid. Oh my god, this feels so good. This lip color has a comfortable matte finish and is enriched with hyaluronic acid and would be a perfect addition to complete any of your makeup look. And there you go, that is my finished makeup look and my top tips for a beautiful flawless base this festive season. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. You can find all of the products linked in the description box below. Do check that out, and we shall meet soon in the next one. Till then, take care. Namaste and keep trending.